In Michigan, after any type of motorcycle or auto accident, there's going to be two types of claims that are possible. One is a no-fault claim against the insurance company for no-fault benefits, and another is against the at-fault party for your pain and suffering. Now, the first category of damages, which would be your no-fault benefits, would not be affected by whether or not you were wearing a helmet. However, if you were in an accident with another vehicle and they caused the accident, if you sue that vehicle, they will be able to claim that you are comparatively at fault if you have some kind of head or facial injury for not wearing a helmet. And the jury will have a right to determine whether that your comparative fault contributed at all to your own injuries. And that's regardless of who caused the accident. And the reason behind this is that they would argue that it was unreasonably dangerous not to wear a helmet. So it's important to remember that if you choose not to wear a helmet and you do so legally, that you'll be fined by the law. However, if you're in an automobile accident in your motorcycle, you will potentially have to worry about comparative negligence.